Hello guys, good morning everyone. I hope you all like my previous video which was about fundamental analysis, how to pick stocks by doing fundamental analysis. So today I will be speaking about the technical analysis, very basic things. Okay, again I don't need to give my introduction here. So I will try to give some light on technical analysis. Alright, so let's start. So let's start. Few basic books that one should read for sure, just for ground level understanding of technical analysis. As a, these are John Murphy, then Martin Jeffrey Edwards, and Patrick, Charles D. Patrick. Start with anyone. This is the good book to start maintain. To start, this is the good book. The John Murphy was one of the good book, and this language is very simple. And after the reading the John Murphy, you can take this Patrick, Charles D. Patrick. So you need to save it. You need to save this book for later. Okay, and this is quite old book. It is written in 1930, and the language is also so different, but not difficult so much. Okay, so I like John Murphy more. This one I like John Murphy more. English is very simple to understand. Okay, so choose any one between these two books for starting or the new learners. Okay, what is technical analysis? Technical analysis is the study of past market data, mainly price and volume data. Okay, then what is practical? What is technical analysis? Let me quickly show you what past market data. Let me open Excel sheet. Okay, I open this Excel sheet. If you see over here in this sheet, I have Nifty data, price data. It is from 2nd Jan 17. Okay, I have 1 month Nifty 50s data. So the price is generally imposed as open, high, low, close, and shares traded. It means the volume. Okay, the volume actually means the number of share exchange in hands, not in terms of rupees, but in shares. So in January 2017, the open price of Nifty 8210 and high 8212, low 8133, close 8171, and this data also can be presented in the chart. So you can see I have depicted one chart. This is called a candlestick chart. Okay, so in our later video, in my later video I will show you how to trade with candlesticks, Japanese candlesticks. ओके, सो आप ये चार्ट देख के बोल सकते हो कि निफ्टी का बिहेवियर 2017 में जनवरी मंथ में कैसा था। आप अपने इस पिक्चर को देख के बता सकते हो। तो ठीक है, तो दिस आर नथिंग कॉल्ड पास्ट मार्केट डेटा। ओके, ओपन, हाई, लो एंड क्लोज, एंड दिस इज डेट. So now let me quickly show you few things related to towards trends. what is trends actually. So this is the chart of Hindustan Unilever. Sorry to say you friends that my software, one of the trading software is not working due to the poor internet connections. So I am showing you the past chart. Okay, this is very old chart of Tata, not Tata, not Hindustan Unilever. So sorry for that. So this is the chart of Hindustan Unilever Limited. Okay. In this chart you can clearly see that from there, from here the trend is going down, down, down and down, little bit up and down. So you can see that Hindustan in stock prices of Hindustan Unilever is continuously falling, falling, falling. This is called downtrend. Okay, this is called downtrend, and these are candles. This is a daily chart of Hindustan Unilever Limited, and this is a candle. I this is a called candle. I will upload some videos on candle, Japanese candle, how to trade them, and there are different. There are thousands of pattern and forms of candles. That you will be unable to prepare all the prepare a video for all these candles. Okay, so I will try to give some important candles and how to trade with these candles later in my video. Okay, so this is called the downtrend. Now let me show you the let me show you this chart is not coming in between. What is this chart? What is this chart?
Same
What is
thing,
this
Mujib.
chart?
Same thing. 어, 댓글을 걸으세요. 좀 무거운 게 아니라 둘이 들어가야 되거든.